Welcome to another video. We're going to be using the head cam for most of this one here, and yeah, today's not going very smoothly, but we made it to one of the locations that has been difficult to find. So we're skipping all the searching for the trailer because it took a while to find it, and we're just gonna get right to it, so please enjoy. Wow, look at that, some geese. So many geese out here today. Oh, I gotta get a picture of him. Wow, a white bird, a full white bird. What is that bird? It's pretty bad. Well, all right, let's see what we got here. I wish it was an outside tire. Alright, those geese over there are looking way too nice. I really want to get a picture of that white bird. Oh my God. Let me see here. Let me see here. It had a lot of birds there. Let me see. I'll get. My God, there's so many. I want to see if I get that white one all the way over there. It has such a long neck. This too. There's a way to record on here too, isn't there? Scene. What's the red button do? Nope. This one's scene. What's M? Isn't movie, right? No, that's manual. A, what's A? Scenery is S, I believe. Let me see, I think I see some. Those are all geese in there. There's that one weird looking white bird all the way over there. I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna go walk over there. I'm gonna fucking get him in a picture. Oh man, I'm not the only one who did this recently, man. Thank God, dude. I was about to say, bro, if I'm the only one doing stuff like this, they just left it on the ground there. They didn't even care. Oh God. All right, let's get this done so we can get more pictures of them geese, some of them birds and wild birds. First things first. Test. Oh, I gotta put it on tight. Whoever put that thing on last. It's easier to blame somebody else always, huh? Rather than taking into consideration that it could be just your hands are weak and you're weak. Let's see here. Am I wrong? Nope. I have weak hands, weak grip. Grip 0. Alright, let's not break this one today. That'd be great, huh? Okay. We're on the move. hope they don't fly away right now. They're all moving along. Whoa, what kind of bug is that, dude? Get out of here, you. Whoa, what kind of bug are you, buddy? Whoa, get back. Get back. Weird looking bug.
Yeah, stay over there, stay over there.
God. Oh, a nail, man. Another nail. It's not a good place for trailers, man.
Perfect right there.
That's what we want. Come on, come on. I want to get this done. Get those geese picked. What the hell, son? I told you, you weird bug, to get out of here. I told you. Somebody wants some mess. I don't want to play with you. Get out of here. God, what are those things, man? Alright, we're just going to leave that. And we're going to use the bars. Yeah, I know, I got to catch up on my paperwork with those stickers. Oh, yeah, this isn't good. Got stuck on the seat. See here. Is there anything we can do? Oh, loosen it up a bit. Nope, we're going to get the hammer time out. Oh. When in doubt, hammer out. Just a little bit. Too much here. Should have broken it down a bit. There we go. There we go, like that. Maybe something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Come on, we'll loosen it up a bit. Something like that. Break. I want to break it. Okay, right about there. Bam, safe. All right. Just trying to weasel this thing around. Oh my God, this thing's destroyed. Whew. All right. Soaked up a little bit. So turn around. Take that off. I'll take a look at that valve stem. It looks a little old, but could be wrong. Oh yeah. Now that valve stem needs to go. Yeah, that valve stem looks bad. Oh yeah, it's not even there on the back. Probably why it went really flat is, oh look at that movement too. All right, well, I'm gonna do what most tire guys don't do and change the valve stem for them. Only time I approve of grip pliers being used. And we need this one. Steel valve stems require a 9/16 wrench in order to get them off. And the aluminum valve stems, which are, where are they at? I got some aluminums in here somewhere. There's one. These ones here take a 5/8, or since I don't think I have a 5/8, I believe it's a 14. Now it's a 16. You don't have a 5/8. 16 will work. Oh, there we go. There's a 5/8. 5/8 will fit right on there. Perfect. Now let's see if we can just for giggles, see if we can find the. I don't think I have one for the 16 there. That's not important, but 5/8, 9/16. Those are your standard sizes for your valve stems. Vice grip. These are what you basically need. We're not doing this here. Just put these back. But what we will be doing is placing this for them. Alright. I'm just gonna get an angle here for the camera. Alright, let's get this bad boy a little loosened. This is a vice grip I bought from a yard sale, so $10 is $10 though, so can't complain, you know. And it works. Look, it works. It's just brittle, it's worked up, and it's done. It sucks up, gets all dried out, cracked up, starts robbing people you know, you love, starts turning against everybody, and next thing you know, you're missing $100 out of your wallet. I mean, anyways, so yeah, tires. Yeah, that's the reason why it gets brittle and old, and gotta replace it over time. Now, what we're gonna do here is tighten her up. That's loosey. That was the right way. Yep. Get her started a little bit. Place that. Nice. Not too tight, but most of the time, before I just do something like that, use the rim itself. Give it a good one-hander until it gets tight enough to where it slips from your vice grip. That's enough pressure usually. Or you can look right here. Once that starts to mushroom up a little bit, and kind of know. And you're good. You're good right there. You're good right there. It's all flush and nice, good looking. So good. So good. All right, and now we use our foot to bam. Perfect, man. Perfect, man. Righteous. 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 All right, the birds are still over there, so we still got time. Oh, we gotta hurry this up though. Feel that their presence. They want to move. They want to leave. They want to fly. Gotta get started a little bit here. Come on, man. Get up a little bit. actually really easy. Oh, that's because I'm trying to pick up the bottom one, yeah. Come on, man. Come on. There we are. Let the bar hit you in the face. All right. Yeah. See if we can separate it so it's a little easier on us. God, let's see if we can cut it with something. Whew. This is our favorite knife. Should do the job. Ah, it's pokey as hell. Oh, actually, might have some steel in there too. Didn't think about that. You know what? We'll do it with it on. Alright, I figured this out. I think we figured it out. God. It's been such a while since we've had flour like this. Good God, man. On certain occasions I would do more better here, but we're just trying to get this thing out of here going. Wow, dude, fail. Yeah, this job couldn't go more smoother, huh? God, this thing is so tight. Gotta watch out for this one. This one will hurt. Oh man, dude. This bead is weird. Come on. What the heck is going on here, huh? God, this one's gonna be a nightmare, I could just tell. Come on. Yo, why is this thing so tight, dude? Hiya. Jesus. Alright, we're just gonna lift this thing like a normal human being does. Ooh. Sorry, back. Wind advisory. There is a wind advisory. Fill this up first. All right. Wow, of course, it's very loose. Come on. Alright, well, it is what it is. It's like Jurassic Park. It's like that Jurassic Park scene where they come up in a Jeep and then they all take off their glasses, the Ray-Ban scene, you know? Wow. This is incredible. Incredible show of wildlife. See where we're at? 60 psi. Alright. Yep. I think my batteries died there. Yeah, the battery died. Put a new one in. Almost done too. Let's go. Let's finish her off strong. Probably somewhere like right about there. Line it up. You gotta line up your valve stem with your hub. Whatever those things are called. Whatever you want to call those. Your connectors to your central hub air thing. We got one of the trailers. Good God, this thing is not. Shimmy it sometimes. Try to shimmy it. I'll sometimes work it in there. You just do what I do. Get the tire's brother. Call in the tire's brother, and you can set it in there like that. It's already in there. Now what we gotta do is make this tire do the dance. Right about there. All right. Should have done this before we put it in, but the way today's been going, it is what it is. There it is, right there. Hand tight most of the time, because that's how we do these brass, copper, brass. Put that right there. And yeah, right there would be perfect, right? The connector goes with that one. And this one, I'm going to turn it like that. Connects into that. That'll do. Oh, I love inside tires, man. There's require a whole service. This one required everything. New valve stem. Only thing it didn't need is a rim. Oh. I forgot to add something. Take all this off again. At least we have it aligned. I don't know what these things really do other than get in our way. It's very, very rare for you to see those on these things, but hey. And shut up. Get yourself those. Last one. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. I really want to go take those geese pictures before the sun goes down. Oh. bloody clowns. There we go. Hurry up. Get this done. Oh, this has been a nightmare. Let's go see if we can find some birds. Let's go see if we can get them. Somebody would probably give us trouble if they see us with this head cam on. There it is. It's right over there. Okay. Oh my god, look at you guys. Wow. If you like that video, please give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. See you and stay safe, drive safe, everybody. See ya.